In today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to create a database in Notion. Hi everyone! I'll show you the easiest way to create a database in Notion. If you're brand new, don't worry. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized database that you can build on as your needs grow. First, open Notion and head to your workspace. This is the main area where all your pages and projects live. If you don't see your workspace, check the left sidebar and make sure you're in the right account and space. Next, click the plus button to create a new page. This opens a blank page with several options. From here, choose Table, or pick any database type you prefer. Table is great for beginners because it looks and feels like a spreadsheet, while other database types like Board, List, Calendar, Timeline, or Gallery are perfect when you want a different layout. You can always change views later, so choose what feels comfortable right now. At the top, give your database a clear name. A specific title will help you find it later and make it easier to share or reference. Think about what you're tracking: tasks, contacts, content ideas, and name it accordingly. Now let's shape your database by adding properties, which are your columns. Click. Add a property to create as many as you need. Each property has a type, like text for notes or labels, number for counts or budgets, and date for deadlines or events. You might also use Select to create a drop-down with fixed options, or Multi-Select if you need more than one tag per item. If you make a mistake, no problem. You can rename a property, change its type, or reorder columns anytime. Keep your properties simple at first. You can always add more as your workflow becomes clearer. To start filling your database, click New to add rows or items. Each row is one entry. Type directly into the cells and move across columns to complete the details. As you add a few items, you'll quickly see how your structure supports your work. If something doesn't fit, adjust the column types or names so the database matches how you think. And that's it! Your database is ready in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more beginner tutorials.